Introduction: Recovering deleted files.
Accidentally deleted an important file from the cloud? Don't panic. Most cloud storage platforms make it easy to restore deleted files within a certain period. In this tutorial, you'll learn the fastest way to recover files using Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Let's get your files back quickly and stress-free.
Restoring files in Google Drive.
Open Google Drive and click on the Trash or Bin folder in the sidebar. Browse the list to find your deleted file. Right-click on the file you want to restore and select Restore. The file will return to its original location. Remember, items remain in trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted, so act quickly.
Recovering deleted files from Dropbox.
Sign into Dropbox and go to the Files page. Click on Deleted Files in the sidebar. Locate the file or folder you want to recover. Select it and click Restore. Dropbox keeps deleted files for 30 days on most plans and up to 180 days for some professional or business accounts.
Bringing back files in OneDrive.
Log into OneDrive and select the Recycle bin from the navigation panel. Find your deleted file in the bin. Right-click on it and choose Restore. The file will be moved back to its original folder. OneDrive typically keeps deleted files for 30 days, but items may be purged sooner if the bin becomes full.
Tips for successful file recovery.
To increase recovery chances, act promptly after deletion. Regularly back up critical files. For shared drives or business accounts, consult your admin if you can't find files, as they may have extra recovery options. Familiarizing yourself with your storage's policies can save you time and stress in the future.